This is a short video on Latin infinitives. There are 6 kinds of infinitives in Latin: present, perfect, future, active, and passive. For the present active infinitive, it's the same as the second principal part. Make sure you know your principal parts. The infinitive will end either in are for the first conjugation, ere with the long e for the second, ere, the short e for the third and third io, and ire for the fourth conjugation. Examples are amare, tenere, ducere, capere, and audire. For the passive, take that present active infinitive and alter it slightly. For the first conjugation, change that final e to an I. Same thing for the second conjugation, change the final e to an I. For the third and third io, so ducere and capere, the entire ere drops out and is replaced with the letter I. And then fourth acts like first and second by changing the final e to an I. So amari, teneri, duci, capi, audiri. For the perfect active infinitive, take the perfect stem. You find the perfect stem by taking the third principal part of the verb, chopping off the letter I. And you add isse, which at one time I imagined was esse, the present active infinitive. Now it's an ending added to the perfect stem. So amavisse, tenuisse, duxisse, capisse, audivisse. For the perfect passive infinitive, take the fourth principal part of the verb. Remember that it ends in us, so it acts like an adjective, us, a first and second declension adjective. As a helping verb, to make it an infinitive, we add esse. So amatus esse, tentus esse, ductus esse, captus esse, auditus esse. It is very important that you remember that the fourth principal part will agree with the subject in gender, number, and in case. Along the same lines, the future active infinitive will do the same thing. The only difference is we take what we will call the supine stem, that is fourth principal part minus the us, the a, or the and we're going to add an like future, and then add the us, the a, and the So we get urus, ura, urum, and then its helping verb is esse. So amaturus esse, tenturus esse, ducturus esse, capturus esse, auditurus esse. For the future passive infinitive, you take the supine, which is the fourth principal part ending only in and then you add the helping verb iri. So amatum iri, tentum iri, ductum iri, captum iri, auditum iri. And finally, how to translate these. The present active infinitive is translated to verb. Its passive companion is to be verbed. The perfect active is to have verbed. The passive is to have been verbed. The future active is to be about to verb, and the future passive to be about to be verbed.